Endplays and Coups by David Bird and Tim Bourke. Problem 4, page 17. We are in 6 diamonds. The opponents did not bid anything. Opening lead is the 10 of hearts, which we take. Cash atop trump, and we can see that each shows out. So the number of trump we've played is 3 on the board. 4 and 7 in our hands, it's 10. So that means that West has 3 trump left in his hand, and it must be the jack, the 10, and the 2. So we have a certain trump loser and an apparent second loser in the heart suit. But it's often possible to condense 2 losers into one if you time the play correctly. We have 5 winners in the side suits, and therefore we'll need 7 trump tricks to bring the total to 12. 2 spade roughs in your hand will give you 5 of those trump tricks. You must aim for 2 more by roughing clubs in dummy. If West at any time roughs high in the second seat, you will throw a heart loser from dummy. At trick 3, we cross over with the ace of spades, then rough a spade. And let's see, and then we cash the king and ace of clubs, and we rough a club in dummy. And when we do that, this is an important position. They make a diagram of it on page 18. The lead is in dummy, and a potential trap awaits you. Suppose you rough the spade next and lead the 10 of clubs. West will rough with the 10 of diamonds, and you will throw your heart loser from dummy. However, you will now go down. West will exit with a trump to your queen, and you will suffer from the blockage in hearts. You can play a heart to the bear king, but West's jack of diamonds will be promoted as you attempt to reach your hand to take a heart rough. So, in this position, you must cash the king of hearts and then rough a spade. Giving us another important position that is diagrammed. All is well. You lead the 10 of clubs, and West, they're saying, has to rough with a 10 of diamonds, and then you will discard your 5 of hearts. Loser on loser? And now you take the remaining tricks. If West returns the 9 of hearts, you'll rough in dummy. If instead he returns a trump, you win in the south hand, and again rough your last heart in dummy. So there we have it. 6 diamonds making.